Salam to all, this is FBA Fadime Banu Akbez. Let's get to my exclusive weekly technical analysis in order of dollar, Turkish lira, euro dollar, gold, Bitcoin and Ether. Last week, the dollar against Turkish lira increased and made new historical high at 19.84 as we expected. This week, if it trades above 19.70, 19.72 range, it may break 19.79 and then try 19.92 resistance, which shall either trigger a short correction or rally to our 26.97 target. Will it reach above 20s pretty quick? Last week, the euro against the dollar declined and made low at 1.0758 when we were expecting it to try 1.0755, 1.07 range. This week, if it trades below 1.08 psychological level, it might break 1.0755 level and then try 1.0729, 1.07 area to decide if the buyers here are enough to turn up or need further support around 1.0650 level. The resistance is at 1.0840. Where will it turn back towards our 1.2011 target? Last week, the gold declined as we expected. This week, if it stays below 1,978 level, it shall break 1,966, 1,959 range, and then try 1,934, 1,910 area to see if the buyers are enough to turn from. The resistance is at 1,984 level. Do you expect it to go below 1,900 or not? Last week, the Bitcoin declined as we expected and made small negative doji formation, which may be the sign of the halfway. If you don't know what a doji formation is, please check the end of this video. This week, if it trades below 26,500, 26,140 area, it may break 25,795, 25,600 range, and then try 25,000, 24,420 zone. The resistance is at 27,500. Does the halfway point 22,096 to be the checkpoint as for enough buyers? Last week, the Ether made low at 1,770 when we were expecting it to go to 1,770, 1,730 range and then turn back while making doji, which may be the sign of the halfway. If you don't know what a doji formation is, please check the end of this video. This week, if it's below 1,783 level, it shall break 1,730, 1,715 zone, and then try 1,674 level. The resistance is at 1,847 level. Does the halfway point 1,400 to be the checkpoint as for enough buyers? Thanks for watching. Let me ask, do I do anything wrong? Because I'm happy to share my exclusive analysis in total 20 languages for free on a weekly basis, and I hope you benefit. Yet, 90% of my viewers are not subscribed. If so, please share it in your comments so I can update myself. If not, I need your support to reach more people, and you can do this just by subscribing. And set the reminder for the upcoming, especially for the premieres on Sundays at midnight. You can support me this way totally for free. And don't forget, the clarification of some basic terms I use on my videos are on my Instagram highlights named as terms, so keep up with them. Finally, I'd like to remind you the devastating 2 earthquakes in Türkiye. They were just in 9 hours and both of them were over 7.5 magnitude. Please continue donating and praying for Türkiye. You can find the link of my video that has brief information and how you can donate on below description. Thanks in advance. Bye.